No band. Well, welcome back to another episode. It is Monday, Labor Day. The video you're about to watch was filmed on Saturday, the opener of goose and dove season. Unfortunately, we did not kill any geese on Saturday or Sunday. We did not hunt this morning just because we didn't have any fields that were going to be worthy of hunting. So Sunday we had one group of geese come in, but they landed far out from our blinds, so we weren't able to kill any out of that. We tried running and trying to go jump them, I guess, but it didn't work. So what you're about to watch is a goose hunt turning into a dove hunt. We shot 20 doves or so, and a couple pigeons, I think 7 or 8. Really fun. I don't know if I got all the kill shots on camera, but you'll see a majority of them. We had 6 guys, so it was a really fun time. Yeah, so hopefully this weekend, or this coming weekend, I'll be able to get on a good goose hunt, get some more footage for you guys. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe if you're not already, so you don't miss any videos that come up for this coming fall, because I'm going to be out there a lot filming some videos for you guys. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Right in front, right in front. I got that one. I got that one first shot with the extra full. He might be a little bit dead. Those are some pretty doves. Doves are pretty. They're like really brown. We're missing one. We shot 5. I'm gonna grab some more. I'm gonna go with. Turn. Kill that one, please. You got that one. I'll go get it. Extra full. Does the trick. Does the trick. He got it here. Alright, go. Got him. That boy out. Ready? Hey, right there, right there. Whitey. Don't shoot him, just grab him. Who shot that one? I did. Somebody did. Hey, there's another white one like that went down over there. Call the shot, boys. Oh, that's an auburn. Take him. I got that one. Oh, what? How did he not die? Look at all those feathers. Dude, I smoked him too. I got the first one. Did you drop one? I got one. Oh. There's none that fell. I didn't even see him. Yeah, really? Not one fell. No. I hit one. I thought it was a dove. Shoot them. Those are good. Should take him here? Oh, take the single? Take that one. I cannot shoot sitting down. Looks like we're eating doves tonight. Yeah, boys. We actually should make them. We should make them. Yeah. We can start the grill up. I don't want to do charcoal though. We should just do gas grill. Nah, it doesn't matter. Get in, Al. Hunker down. Oh, Pidge, get in. Chris, get down. Everyone be quiet and still. Well, not quiet, I guess. But. You ready, boys? Shoot him. I got that one. Please fall. Okay, good. I was going to say. Holy shit, this beast is big. I don't know. Should I film? I'm just going to sit like this. Oh, I got the GoPro going. These guys are gonna do it. These guys are doing it. They're gonna do it. Take them. Oh. We're really good at shooting, guys. You or me get that? Did you or me get that one? I think you did. I was gonna say I was aiming at that one. They're swinging around. Yeah, these pigeons are tough as shit. I can't shoot sitting down. I gotta take my extra full out for these well, I guess I think I hit 2 pigeons now. The doves are way more fun because you just barely hit them and they go down. Yeah. Pigeons are tough. Oh. Oh my god. Oh. Are they burnt? Oh. Oh. They're like... They're premium. Filet mignon. Filet mignon. Let's get some more of this shit on here. I know, but they smell good as fuck. Oh, that's hot. I'll go with you. Got some secret sauce here. This looks so good. You smell that? Oh. Look at that. Look at that meat.
That one might be done there.
Is that like some general Italian seasoning, or what is that?
Oh, that one's burnt.
I don't know what it is. Original roll and seasoning. Tony's crackers. Sound like a dipshit.
You could probably pull that one off, huh?
You can probably just eat that one right there.
You eat it.
You eat it. I'm seasoning. We'll just season it some more.
Some of that looks so good.
I could just eat that all.
That one right there, I dibs. Dibs.
Which one was I gonna eat?
Or this one. Oh.
Like it loses its liquidiness.
Look at that.
See, the seasoning doesn't stick to it as well.
It's better if they're outside more. They don't get as
Dried up.
the one that we ate.
Hey, Big Shoots.
Trying to find a spot for tonight. Or tomorrow. That one still got some feathers on it.
Yum.
Or bone. Actually, that's bone.
There are some feathers
Well,
on
that's
it.
gotta be good for Z-Pop, huh?
Which one was it?
You're gonna eat it or what? Dude, it looks so good.
Mmm. I use like all your seasoning. Just kidding.